Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS4150i. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. Switch the printer on from this button. Once you switch the printer on, you can scan the QR code or you go to Play Store and download Canon Print app. So if you take the QR code, you scan the QR code and this QR code is picked up, then select open link. So the link is opening up. Then it will show you for you to select App Store or Google Play Store to install Canon Print app. So select Google Play Store, for example. So install Canon Print app. So Canon Print app is already installed on my phone. So open it up. Then search for the printer. Searching. Is your printer listed below? Then you select no. If your printer is not found, after a while tap next. Then select next, select could not find, select OK. Now the next thing is you look if the printer have a button like this. Does the printer have the button like this? Then you select yes. Then it will ask you to press this. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds. So press and hold this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and you can see the Wi-Fi light is now highlighting. Then release the button. The Wi-Fi now is highlighting. What that means, the printer is in a wireless mode. Once it's connected, you will see a steady light. So you select OK and confirm that we have pressed the button. Select next. Set up, wait for the printer name to appear and select the printer. So we're going to wait for the printer name to appear on the screen. The printer is found. Set up Wi-Fi for the following printer: Canon TS4150i series. Then select OK. Then when the printer is detected on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Then select next. Connect to the device. Then select connect. Connecting to the device. Connected and is processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router. So you found the network, then you select yes or no. So select yes for the printer to connect on the network and is saving the information, communicating with the printer. And if you look, the Wi-Fi light and the power on button is highlighting and stay communicating with the printer. Communicating with the printer, this may take 150 seconds. And you can see that the Wi-Fi light is steady and the power on button is steady. So this is connected, but you need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. If you look, the Wi-Fi light is steady and the power on button is also still highlighting and is steady now. Here we go. Keep your printer, so it's connected. Keep your printer up to date. Then select yes. And this is the printer. Then close this. This is the printer TS4150i series online. So this printer is now connected and this is the app. And we're going to print a document. So select print, document print. Then you select documents. Then select the document you want to print out. It's processing the document, 2-page document. To print it out, you select next. We want to print all. Select OK to print all. Then select change settings. Select number of copies, page size, media type, plain paper, and we want to print it in color. Duplex printing, we want to print it two-sided. Then you go back, then select print. It will show you printing is completed. Here we go, printing is completed. Then you select OK. And this is the document we printed out two-sided in color. So this is how to connect this printer with your mobile phone via wireless network using Canon Print app and print out a document to confirm that the printer is working, and also it will show you that the printer is online. From this app, you can print document just like we did. Print your photo or scan document, smartphone copy or cloud or select copy, creative pack, and etc. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone using Canon Print app. So after you connected this printer to wireless network with your mobile phone, if you want to connect it with computer, what you need to do is you need to go to laptop start, go to your laptop settings, then select printers and scanners, then add a device. Once you add a device, then look from the list, you will see Canon TS4150 series, multifunctional printer, inkjet printer and scanner. Select add device. So it's connecting. It's connecting. So it will show you that the printer is still connecting. Now it's installing. If you want to print a test page, you need to select on the printer. Before you do that, you need to wait for the printer to show ready. If you select on it, if it's not opening up, then you go off on the screen. Then go back again to the laptop settings. Then go to printers and scanners. Then look for Canon Pixma TX4100 series from the list. Canon TX4100 series. It will show you driver updates may be available. Then you select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. You can open print queue or print test page. So select print test page. So it's going to print a test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TX4100i series on laptop. It will show you the date and time, color support, yes, port name, WSD, data, raw, Windows, X64. This is to confirm that the printer and laptop are connected together. If you want to scan document, you can also select open scanner, then open scanner property. Then make sure you can see Canon or you refresh it. Then select open scanner. Then you go on the left side, you wait for the scanner to be ready. Another thing I want to show you is how to connect it using Canon Print app. Go to Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store, then type Canon Print app. Canon Print app. Install it on your computer and open it up. So the app is getting ready. Then scroll to the side and look for Canon Print app. Canon TX4150i series online, and this is the printer. You can print documents from this printer as well. You can scan, and also showing us the ink level. So this is Canon Print app, and with this app you can select document prints, then go on the left side and select the document. Select the document, then you type the document name, click it, open the file. So now the document is attached. Close this. Go on the right side to select the paper. A for orientation portrait, we want to print all. Select two-sided print. Quality auto, print on one side, and we want to print it in color. Paper source casket, you select number of copies and then select print to print the document. So we want to print this document two-sided in color, and the number of copies is one. Select print. This is the document we printed out. So this is how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network with mobile phone, then add it to your computer, print a test page to confirm that the printer is working and the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network and also with your computer and mobile device. Thank you very much indeed.